Okay, so I was saying to Dad that he messed up his catchphrase. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush.
No, that's not how it goes.
It is. It is. How does it go?
A bird in the hand.
Yep.
No, a bird in the bush is worth two in the hand.
No,
Yeah.
it's not.
Yeah, it is.
It's not.
Yeah, a bird in the hand.
Yep.
You got one bird in your hand. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush.
That's what I said.
Oh, wait. Did I say it right? Bird in the bush is worth two in the hand.
No,
I think so.
it's
Are
not.
you sure?
Okay, tell me what that saying actually means.
It means if you got one bird in the bush, it's worth two if you catch two.
No.
Better to have two caught ones than one more. Means don't go and chase that last bird in the bush because you've already got two out of three.
No.
Yeah, it does.
No, it's not.
Yeah, don't go chasing the third one because you've got two, so be happy.
No.
A bird in the bush is worth two in the hand.
That's not right.
Are you sure?
Okay, the saying is a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush, which means that you've already got one that is caught,
Yeah.
so it's worth more than two that you might not catch.
Oh, okay.
So just keep your one bird in your hand
Oh, are you sure?
because it's
doesn't
worth
go-
more than two that you might not catch.
But if you already caught two and there was one more running
That's
out.
not how it goes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so how does it actually go?
Okay, a bird in the bush
No.
is worth two in the hand.
No. That's not the way it goes.
A bird in the bush.
No, a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush.
Oh, a bird is a bird.
Oh my god. Okay, so we're just gonna have to agree to disagree.
Yeah.
You just say it your way.
Yeah, I'll say it my way.
Okay, it's wrong.
Okay.
Okay.